Here's the question I got asked. What are the best things to write on your bio in a LinkedIn profile? Now, this is a powerful question, and we all need to understand the answer, and I'm going to share the answer for you in this video right now. It all starts with one word, one vital word. Everything you put on your LinkedIn profile, in your headline, in your about section, in your experience section, in your publications, in your rich media, etc., etc., etc. Everything must be relevant to who you are and what you do today. It has to be relevant to not only what you do, but to your target audience. And that is the person or the company or the industry that you serve. If it's not relevant to them, then you've lost their attention and they don't want to read more. Furthermore, in the quest to make it relevant, you've got to use words and phrases. Marketing calls this SEO and keywords. You've got to use words and phrases that resonate with that person. Too often, I look at LinkedIn profiles, I look at about sections, I look at experience section, and all they're doing is using words that make them feel better. They're vetting themselves with words like experience and team leader and go-getter and dedicated and all. Nobody wants to read that. What your target audience wants to read, what the most important viewer of your LinkedIn profile wants to read, is who you are and what you do for them. An idea that I often share in writing your about section and your experience sections is to think a philosophy called PAR statements, P-A-R. And that stands for problem, project. What was it that needed to be done? Action. What are the actions that you did? And then result. How did that help the person or the company that you were serving? And when you write PAR statements, this is hard work, but it's very, very worthwhile. You got to drive your PAR statement down to a 1 or 2, maybe a 3-sentence story. And when you can write PAR statements and put those in your about section, put those in your experience section, and put those in other areas of your LinkedIn profile, telling your target audience, listen to these words, what you do, what you can do, and what you enjoy doing that's relevant to them, then you've written a powerful LinkedIn profile. And it's way more than a bio, and it is nothing like a typical resume. It's really more like a brochure. So think about PAR statements. Think about telling your target audience what you do, what you can do, and what you enjoy doing, serving them, using words, again, that resonate with them. And now you will have a powerful LinkedIn profile. Hey, look, I'm Teddy. I teach LinkedIn and Sales Navigator every day. I've got a teachable course that I'll share the link with you in the description of this video. I've got a core space where all I do is help people master using LinkedIn for them in their business and or in their career. Check out those two spaces. I promise you I'll keep giving you value like I hope this video did for you today.